Hello, my friends. Welcome to Mr. Master English today. I'm Adam, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. This podcast helps you speak English with confidence, one step at a time. Please leave a comment below and introduce yourself. Tell me your name and where you're from. And if you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Today, we're learning about thought leadership in English. That means sharing your ideas with confidence. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to present your thoughts clearly and sound confident, even if you feel nervous inside. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Why does this matter? Your ideas matter. Your knowledge matters. Maybe you're in a business meeting and have a great solution. Maybe you're at a conference and want to share what you've learned. In these situations, you need to present your ideas with confidence. And here's the good news. You don't need fancy words. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need clear, simple English and the courage to speak up. Let's start with introducing your idea. Here's a simple phrase. I have an idea I'd like to share. Now you say it. I have an idea I'd like to share. Good job. Another one. I've been thinking about this and I have a suggestion. Now you repeat. I've been thinking about this and I have a suggestion. Perfect. And one more. Can I share my perspective on this? Now you try. Can I share my perspective on this? Excellent. Now, state your idea clearly. Start with I think or I believe. For example, I think we should focus on customer feedback. Now you say it. I think we should focus on customer feedback. Great. Another example. I believe there's a better way to approach this problem. Repeat after me. I believe there's a better way to approach this problem. Good. Next, give a reason. Use because to connect your idea to your reason. Listen. I think we should start the meeting earlier because everyone is more focused in the morning. Now you repeat. I think we should start the meeting earlier because everyone is more focused in the morning. Perfect. See how because makes your idea stronger? Now add evidence to support your idea. Use for example or in fact or based on my experience. Listen. For example, last month we made changes and saw positive results. Now you try. For example, last month we made changes and saw positive results. Good job. Another way. In fact, research shows that customer feedback leads to better products. Repeat. In fact, research shows that customer feedback leads to better products. Great. Sometimes you need to acknowledge other viewpoints. Say, I understand that, and mention another view, then use however and share yours. Listen, I understand that budget is a concern, but I believe investing now will save money later. Now you try. I understand that budget is a concern, but I believe investing now will save money later. Perfect. Now let's sound confident. Use strong, clear language. Say, I am confident that, or I strongly believe, listen, I am confident that this approach will work. Now you say it. I'm confident that this approach will work. Good. Try this. I strongly believe we're on the right track. Repeat. I strongly believe we're on the right track. Excellent. Let me show you everything together. Imagine you're in a meeting. I have an idea I'd like to share. I think we should have short daily check-ins because they keep everyone aligned. For example, when I worked on my last project, daily check-ins helped us solve problems quickly. I understand that everyone is busy, but these meetings would only take 10 minutes. I'm confident that this small change will improve our teamwork. Beautiful, right? Now some common questions. What if someone disagrees? Say, I appreciate your perspective. Can you tell me more about your concerns? Now you try. I appreciate your perspective. Can you tell me more about your concerns? Perfect. What if you don't have all the answers? Say, that's a great question. I don't have that information right now, but I'll find out and get back to you. Repeat. That's a great question. I don't have that information right now, but I'll find out and get back to you. Good job. Here are 3 quick tips. First, prepare your opening sentence in advance and practice it. Second, use simple language. Clear words show confidence. Third, speak at a steady pace. Slow down and take breaths. Pausing shows confidence. Your daily challenge. Find one opportunity today or tomorrow to share an idea using English. Start with I think or I believe and share one thought. And if you make a mistake, that's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. All right, my friend. We've reached the end of today's episode. Today, we learned how to present your ideas with confidence. We learned how to introduce ideas, state them clearly, give reasons and evidence, and sound confident. Remember, thought leadership isn't about being perfect. It's about being clear and having courage to share what you know. I believe in you. I know you can do this. Keep practicing every day, even just for 5 minutes. Thank you so much for listening to Mr. Master English today. I'm Adam, and I'm proud of you for showing up today and learning with me. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.